everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 7 Anupam Social Science History Chapter 10 Flowering of Regional Cultures. Questions and answers. Exercise 1. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answer. 1. The script used for writing Urdu is A. Arabic, B. Persian, C. Roman, D. Turkish. Answer B. Persian. 2. Who wrote the famous historical work Rajatarangini? A. Chand Bardai, B. Bilhana, C. Kalhana, D. Bhavabhuti. Answer C. Kalhana. 3. Amir Khusrau developed the new style of writing called A. Hindavi, B. Hindustani, C. Hindi, D. Urdu. Answer A. Hindavi. 4. The Ramcharitamanas was written by A. Kabir, B. Surdasa, C. Tulsidas, D. Mirabai. Answer C. Tulsidas. 2. Match the columns. Column A, column B. 1. Jadeva, C. Geeta Govinda. 2. Abdus Samad, a Persian artist who decorated walls. 3. Kathakali, D. Kerala. 4. Jagannatha cult, A. Orissa. 5. Charyapadas, B. Bangla. 3. Give short answers to the following questions. 1. Who wrote the following? A. Prithviraj Raso. Answer Chand Bardai. B. Uttar Ramcharita. Answer Bhavabhuti. 2. Who were the 3 gems of Kannada literature? Answer Pampa, Ponna and Ranna. 3. Name the 2 poets who contributed a great deal to the development of Urdu literature under the Mughals. Answer Urdu literature started developing during the last days of the Mughal emperor. This credit goes to Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and Mirza Ghalib. The language of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was very simple and impressive. His compositions inspired the other Urdu writer Mirza Ghalib, who was a famous poet of his time. 4. The temple of Lord Jagannatha has 3 deities. Name them. Answer. The shrine is dedicated to a particular form of the god Vishnu, called Jagannath, Lord of the universe. Images of the god with his white-clad brother, Balabhadra, and their yellow-clad sister, Subhadra, are regularly carved from logs of fragrant margosa trees that have been ritually cut down. 5. What do the folk dances represent? Answer. Folk dances in India represent the culture and tradition of the community from where it originated. Folk dances are usually performed during the respective community's celebration, childbirth, festivals, weddings, etc. IV. Answer the following questions. 1. Why did the conquerors try to gain control over the temple of Lord Jagannatha at Puri? Answer. Conquerors tried to gain control over the Jagannatha temple at Puri because it would make their rule acceptable to the local people, since the temple was important as a place of pilgrimage and was a center of authority in social and political matters. 2. What do you know about the growth of the art of painting and music in Bengal in the medieval period? Answer. The Bengal School of Art, commonly referred as Bengal School, was an art movement and a style of Indian painting that originated in Bengal, primarily Kolkata and Shantiniketan, and flourished throughout the Indian subcontinent during the British Raj in the early 20th century. 3. Who wrote Sri Krishna Kirtana Kavya in Bangla? What does this work describe? Answer. Sri Krishna Kirtana Kavya, Bengali, is a pastoral Vaishnava drama in verse composed by Boru Chandidas. It is considered to be one of the most significant works after Charyapada in the history of Bengali literature. 4. Mention the two major schools of Rajput paintings. Answer. The two most common schools under the Rajput paintings were Rajasthani paintings and Pahari paintings, while Rajasthani school of paintings covered the areas of Rajasthan like Mewar, later Udaipur, Jaipur, Bundi, Kota, Kishangarh, Jodhpur, Bikaner etc. 5. Name the two famous Kathak gharanas. Under which ruler of Awadh did one of these gharanas become very popular? Answer. Lucknow Gharana and Jaipur Gharana are two famous Kathak gharanas. Awadh the Lucknow Gharana very popular. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Please don't forget to subscribe.